Hi, this is Ronald from Moonfish, and I'm going to show you how to send an email encrypted with your Ethereum keys. So this is Apple Mail, and I can just compose a message like you always compose, the same way. And this is on purpose, so we made sure that you don't have to change your workflow. Moonfish will work with your existing applications like Apple Mail and with your existing email addresses and your existing mail servers. Nothing has to change. It's exactly the same as before. So I can send an email to myself, r@moonfish.app, and but I can also do something that's pretty cool. I'll show you. Let's delete this. I can send an email to my ENS domain name, ronaldmaddock.eth. And when I do that, the Mail app will recognize that and say that ronaldmaddock.eth has been resolved to r@moonfish.app, which is indeed my email address. For this to work, by the way, you have to add your email address to your ENS domain records. If you haven't done that, for example, Vitalik hasn't done that, then that doesn't work. So, for example, I cannot send an email to Vitalik's ENS domain because he doesn't have his email address listed. So let's say subject is test and this is an encrypted email. And when I send, Moonfish needs my Touch ID, and that's needed for access to my private key because the email will also be signed so that the recipient knows that the email was indeed sent by me. And that's important for example, for against phishing attempts that we've seen so many the last year. So this is the email that I just received. You can see here, top line, that indeed this email has been signed and authenticated by me, ronaldmaddock.eth, and it has indeed been encrypted. And you can verify that if you go to View, then Message, and then Raw Source. And then you will see how this message is stored on your computer and also how it's stored on the mail servers. And that is encrypted, fully encrypted. You can see here, it says this is an Ethereum encrypted message. And the message itself in encrypted form is right here in this what's called an armor. And that is how you send an email encrypted with your Ethereum keys using Moonfish.